Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the morel mushrooms in one's human. Morel mushrooms are not just another plant that you can gather from ground. To obtain them, you need to start by finding their seeds, which are scattered throughout the high-level areas. So something like red sands area and some of the prime locations for seed hunting include the Securement Silo in the red sands area, the 73 source extraction point north of the teleportation tower, and the Sunshine Farm north of Forsaken Monolith. Now, these areas contain high-level enemies, so make sure you are well equipped. Once you have gathered the morel mushroom seeds, the next step is farming them. After unlocking the planting mimic, you can plant the seeds. Using fertilizers can speed up their growth, and these can be crafted using compost bins, which you can unlock from the logistics tab in the mimetic menu. Just make sure your water levels are good on a daily basis. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.